I had no idea what the presentation was for, but I was ready to take a picture of it when they mentioned that it was the Palmyra Spectator, and it completely caught us by surprise.
It was a complete shock, and you know, it was great feeling, but like I said, just totally unexpected. And
when Mark and Patty Sheffrey were told to be at Palmyra City Hall to report on a presentation, they grabbed their camera and went. But what they got when they arrived was not something they saw coming.
You know, we felt so honored to have this resolution, you know, dedicated to the Palmyra Spectator. We try really hard to do exactly what the resolution says, keep the editorials separate from the news. You know, that's our main goal every week, and we feel like we do a really good job with that. So to have someone outside recognize that, it just felt really good.
The weekly paper was founded in 1839. The Sheffreys are only the third family to own and run it.
Went through 3 generations of Socies, and then Lee and Beverly Keck owned it for many years, and then we bought it from them in November of '94 and have been here ever since.
Currently, the paper has 4 full-time employees, including the Sheffreys, and that hasn't stopped them from covering all the news around town. But when you ask them who's really to thank for keeping the Spectator going, they say it's the community.
I think they definitely deserve a lot of the credit because our readers and our advertisers have been extremely faithful over all of the years it's been in existence and to the current time.
Kristen Aguirre, KHQA News, Palmyra.